of performing arts in Vietnam, and you will guess which type of performing arts it is.
Hỡi bao quân tướng sĩ, tức tốc phòng lương, chuẩn bị gươm giáo và chuẩn bị cho một ngày mai chiến thắng.
So, anyone, do you know what kind of performing arts we saw today?
I don't know.
No? So, now my team member will show us that what kind of performing art in Vietnam. So, this art is tuồng. It means classical dramas, and in classical drama they will all about the performing on stage. And there are two types of classical drama, which first one is the traditional type, and the last one is the modern type. In classical type, we will perform due to the very truly historical stories of Vietnam, like Tây Sơn Empire, like I just performed previously. And the second one, for the modern type, we will perform, the writer will write transcript, and those actor and actress will perform due to the transcript on that transcript. And so in the performing art, in classical drama, we have very special body language like this. So I will show you this angry body movement in classical drama. So in normal we angry like that, or like oh. So in classical drama we will have movement in foot like you see like chi. No, in classical drama this very angry movement.
And unfortunately, in nowadays, we're losing many actors and actresses in this kind of job field because the actor and actress get a very low pay. And this kind of job, they have to do a very heavy makeup, like a face mask, like very heavy makeup. And because of that, we're losing many actors and actresses. Besides that, this kind of performing art also have a very niche audience. So it's more suitable and approachable to old people, but not a lot to young people. And I really hope that this kind of performing art can be continued and developed and more approachable to young people. And in order to do that, I really hope that the actor and actress can remix or renew all the songs, renew the performance from a traditional way to a more modern way, so that it's become more approachable to young people. And in the recent show Anh Trai Vượt Ngàn Chông Gái, they use like many old songs and remix them with a very popular song that the young people really like, so that those songs become very viral and are more approachable.
Okay, so after our presentation, I hope that you guys get a chance to know more about this kind of traditional performing art of Vietnam. And I hope that this kind of performing art will still keep development and let the people all around the world know more about this kind of performing art of Vietnam. And thank you for all listening to our presentation. Thank you so much.